Hello everyone, welcome to another segment of Waxahachie Wednesday with the Ensinia team with Keller Williams of Ellis County, Goosehead Insurance, and of course, Los Primanos Barbecue Rubs. Today we're standing in Ensinia Park, right in front of the old Chautauqua building. What a beautiful building it is. We're going to meet with Melissa Chapman and find out what's going on this weekend. All right everyone, welcome back. We caught up with Melissa Chapman. She's with the Waxahachie Symphony Association. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing great, thank you.
It's a beautiful day and we're at a beautiful park with a beautiful building behind us, right?
Yes, we've got the Waxahachie Chautauqua, built in 1902, right behind us. And I'm here to tell you about an exciting event we have coming up this Saturday night.
Okay.
We've got the Texas Gypsies coming in from the Dallas Metroplex, and they will be playing here at the Chautauqua at 7 o'clock. And they have got a great repertoire of jazz from the 20s, 30s, and 40s. It'll have you dancing in your seat or out on the dance floor.
That sounds like an awesome time. And how can they get tickets to this wonderful event?
Tickets are available at the door, or you can get them at waxahachie-symphony.org. They're just $20, and all children 18 and under are free.
That is so cool. And it's wonderful that we here in Waxahachie have a beautiful building like Chautauqua to host events like this. And many other events come and perform here, right?
Absolutely. We've got events all year long. They have the Chautauqua Association itself brings lectures in September. I know that the Crossroads of Texas Film Festival and Music Festival, we'll give them a plug. They've got events coming later this month.
Right.
So lots of opportunities to enjoy this Waxahachie gym.
It's just amazing to me that it's still standing. And I mean, there aren't very many of those left in the state of Texas, right?
I believe this is the only one.
This is the only one. I knew it was getting there for a while. There were a couple more, but so this is the only one left, right?
This is the only one left, and if you haven't been here before, the Chautauqua really truly is the best place in Ellis County for live music. You won't beat it anywhere else.
Well, that sounds cool. Hey, if you were looking for a good place to come Saturday to have a great time with your friends and family, jazz from the 20s, huh?
Jazz from
That
the
is
20s,
cool.
30s, and 40s. So
That
come
is
on
so
out
cool.
and check out the Texas Gypsies.
Yeah, come check them out and reach out to Waxahachie Symphony on their page, or you can get the tickets at the door. Share this video with your friends and family. If you're looking to sell or buy a home in Ellis County or 10 other counties, contact the Ensinia team with Keller Williams. We've got you on insurance, Goosehead Insurance, and also our new business, Los Primanos Barbecue Rubs. Check us out at HEB in Waxahachie and 13 other locations. More stores coming soon. Don't forget about our great partners at Ellis County. Woo!
It's a mouthful.
Ellis Down Home. Ellis Down Home.
County Down Home.
EllisDownHome.com. They are a great online resource for you with lots of cool human interest stories and things like that. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.
Thank you.